back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Private Whispocrates, or nonuttin, from Yokai Watch. If you must know, nonuttin, or Private Whispocrates, he was first seen in Whisper's Secret Past. And he is Whisper's original form. And his main power is to make people tell outlandish, ridiculous stories. He's just like Babylon, except he's more ancient-like. He's like a ancient Japanese yokai, leading people to wonder, could that be true? Or is he putting one over on me? Anyways, he inspirited a boy named Naoto, which might have been Nate's ancestor. Anyways, he stopped inspiriting Naoto, and he joined forces with Wadington after he found the mysterious sword Slicezilla. I mean, what kind of sword is named Slicezilla? And he was found in the Weatherbean Mountains. Anyways, you see, he was trying to get rid of nonuttin, but when he found the sword, when he was found in the falls, he was nonuttin was transferred to be working for Shogun Wadington. And let's see, what else? Oh yeah, you see, Shogun Wadington, you see, nonuttin's inspirament techniques, well, they really helped Shogun Wadington a lot in previous battles. If you must know, nonuttin, he decided to help. You see, nonuttin, he was known as Yokai Tactician, and was changed to Whispocrates. Unlike in the game, his name was... He tricked Shogun Wadington into saying that his name was Private Whispocrates. But, I was starting to get a hankering for that episode a lot, and I actually kind of like it. Nonuttin is basically one of my most favorite yokai of them all. Well, basically one of the top 10. Unfortunately, nonuttin was never seen in any other episodes. Well, because that episode came after the Yokai Watch movie. Because back in Nathaniel's timeline, I think that Private Whispocrates was still sealed up inside the Crankakai while they were battling Dame Dead Time. I get feelings that I might see them again real soon. But, anyways, he was also appeared in Yokai Watch Blasters. And I think he was in Yokai Watch 3. I think I'll play that game real soon. Just as soon as I finish drawing this. Okay. As you can see, he's like Whisper, except he has a robe on. And I'm almost done with that. Okay, so, and done. That didn't take too long, did it? Well, anyways, that's how you draw Private Whispocrates, or nonuttin. Totally legit, no foolin'. Anyways, that's how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Make sure to smash that and subscription button a million times. And I'll see you guys later.